प्रादेशिक आराखड्यात ताळगाव आणि कळंगूट गाव म्हणून दाखयल्यात, पण तांकां सुविधा मात शारांच्यो जाय। तुमची लोकसंख्या पळयल्यार ती शारांप्रमाण वाडतूच आसा अशें आसतनाय तुमकां शार म्हणिल्लें नाका, कित्याक तर आमदाराक सरपंचाक हातीकडेन धरून सगळे कंट्रोल करपाक जाय। हे कशें शक्य आसा अशें विजय विचारता। पळयात ताचें म्हणणें।
कितें आतां कायद्यान ताजें एक्चुअली झोन पयलीं चेंज केल्लो आहा। ताणी डबल एफआयआर दोंगराचेर कसो करप? हाव कुड यू make it double FAR on a hill? So on a hill, how can you have commercial? See, there are so many questions. Today's bills are going to throw up a can of worms. One of them is, there are like Porvorim, like Kalangut, like Taligaon. These are cities, ne? If Fatarda is a city, how Taligaon is not a city? If Fatarda is a city, how Kalangut is not a city? So, regional plan तांकां विलेजीस म्हणून दाखयल्या, पूण तांकां सिटीची हायट जाय, ताका सिटीची अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंग जाय, ताका सिटीचें सिवरेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट जाय, सिटीच्यो सगळ्यो सवलती जाय। तुमची पॉप्युलेशन डेटा पळोवपाक गेलो जाल्यार सिटी भशेन तुमी जातात, पूण तुमकां सिटी म्हणिल्लें नाका, कित्याक आमदारांक सरपंचाक घेवन कंट्रोल करपाचें आहा। कशें जातलें? हाय टायम वी हॅव टू रिव्यू द होल थिंग। मे बी गोवा इज इन नीड ऑफ न्यू cities. If urbanization is happening, if you are giving high FAR because there are cities, then you must accept it and have more cities. पयलीं 4 cities आशिल्ल्यो, मडगांव, पणजे, म्हापशां, वास्को। ताजे फुडें आतां फोंडें जाल्लें आहा। फोंडें is already gone into ODP. It's planning area. So one has to understand this concept that in the regional plan there is something called planning area and non-plan area.
दुसरे वटेन कांय जाणांनी जमीन रुपांतरणाचेर केल्ले व्हिडिओ मिडियान तपासून पळोवपाक जाय अशें नगर नियोजन मंत्री विश्वजीत सांगता। ऐकात।
When you are within the framework of the law and you are a government that is elected by the people, you have to be within the guidelines and framework. Lot of people send so many things on WhatsApp asking explanations. I don't have to give explanations because you have to follow the law of the land. And second thing is that these things are ongoing things that have happened in the past. So many things have happened, so many things have been done. And also second thing is that I have nothing to comment because I'm going to make my statement on the floor of the house. And my platform is the floor of the house. And whatever justification I want to give, I'm going to go on the floor of the house. You see, sometimes when wrong reporting is done, when you're factually incorrect, then it creates more confusion. Also, second thing, we are elected with responsibility in the government to deliver to the people. If people want to invest in the state of Goa, you cannot create a wrong sentiment and everywhere people will leave the investment in the state and go away. I mean, I as a minister in the government have a responsibility not only to be transparent, but also to see that I live up to the expectation of people. But if there is one section of society that does not want A to be done, B to be done, C to be done, I have my own view as a member of the government. And second thing is that if any wrongdoing is there, there is a court of justice.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.